How to activate Bendigo Bank Credit Card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Bendigo card activation and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one option, activate my card and set up my PIN. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, here you're going to see the option of activate my card and set up my PIN. Click on it. So the very first thing you can do to activate the credit card is log into your Bendigo account. You can use the mobile app or also you can use the website. Once logged in, you can head towards the section of credit card and activate it. Likewise, one thing you can do is e-banking. Click on the cards tab on the left hand side, click on your card and follow the prompts to activate it. Lastly, you can contact the Bendigo customer service to activate your credit card. Here you can see that this is the number. You can call on this number and ask them to activate your credit card. Well, these are the ways to activate Bendigo Bank Credit Card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.